Hello everyone, this is Sandeep Bhatt, qualified cost accountant and founder of Global CMA. Team of Global CMA is working on development of CMA profession. We are managing our website since 3 years and also managing Global CMA platform on various social media channels to share information updates regarding CMA profession and other useful business information which is relevant for CMA members and students. We solve queries related to CMA subjects, training, career opportunities, and many more. But most of the time, students and CMAs are asking questions related to practical life situations and problems of cost accounting, cost auditing, financial accounting, GST, CMA training, and many more. CMA is all about cost accounting, financial and capital budgeting, cost records, cost controlling, bill of material analysis, inventory valuation and analysis, cost accounting techniques, decision making, pricing decisions, MIS, ERP, and many more. Without having knowledge of these topics, theoretically and practically, it is very difficult to survive in current business world for cost accountants. In today's economy and competitive business world, there is no shortage of candidates, and organization wants to hire those candidates who is having knowledge and expertise in all the areas. Organizations don't want to spend money and time to make expert employees. Instead of this, they want to hire expert employees. Cost auditing, which is core and most relevant area for cost accountants, but most of the time, CMA students and qualified members don't know what is cost records, how to prepare them, components of cost records, and cost audit report. And without having knowledge and experience of these topics, they face and hear one statement from interviewer every time that you are a CMA, a cost accountant, but you don't know about cost accounting, management accounting, and cost auditing. Then why should we hire you? Instead of you, we can hire a CA for this accounting work. To overcome from this situation, Global CMA team has decided to start various online courses on these topics. And first topic we have selected is cost auditing. And in this online course, we will cover and discuss about cost accounting records, cost auditing, and about XBRL tool. So friends, let's start our journey with this cost audit masterclass. In this course, we will share our experience and knowledge with you and will guide you that how to become a good cost auditor. Following are the major 4 areas that we will discuss in this cost audit masterclass course. First one will be how to manage cost audit work. In this part, we will discuss how to manage cost audit work from CMA firm side or company side. This is an important task from CMA firm side, as if you are not able to manage cost audit assignment efficiently and smartly, then there are chances that they will not give you assignment again. Second, we will discuss how to prepare cost records. This one is the important area for cost accountants as well as for the organization, as we don't have specific formats to maintain cost records. Due to unavailability of standard formats for cost records, cost accountants and organizations are always in doubt and confusion about whether they are maintaining cost records properly or not, and what are the components for which they have to maintain cost records. We will discuss these topics, that what are the basic and important components on which we need to maintain cost records, and we will also prepare cost records for one organization. Third part will be how to prepare cost audit report. For preparation of cost audit report, MCA has prescribed specific and standard formats which we need to comply based on industry type, manufacturing or service. In this part, we will discuss how to prepare or how to verify the cost audit report. And last segment, we will discuss how to file cost audit report to MCA through XBRL tool. In this part, we will discuss how to convert cost audit report in XBRL and how to submit this report to MCA portal. These major 4 parts we have divided in following chapters and subsections. So first we will talk about basics of cost records and cost audit. Then historical background and relevance of cost auditing in India. Then we will talk about process flow of cost auditing activity. Fourth, we will discuss cost accounting standards. Then we will talk about cost records and audit rules 2014. Then cost audit report formats. And then preparation of cost records and cost audit report. Then we will talk about XBRL basics and conversion of cost audit report in XBRL. And finally, we will talk about submission of cost audit report in MCA portal. In this package of cost audit master course, we will provide you PDF and Excel copies of all the examples which we will cover and discuss in this. We want to clarify one thing in starting of the course, that in cost accounting, we have cost accounting standards who assist us to take decisions on treatment of expenses and decision making. But industry to industry, treatment of overheads costing methodology may vary due to different business process and nature of business and manufacturing process. In these videos, we will share information based on our knowledge and practices followed in most of the organizations, and your opinions and thoughts may vary from us. We don't have any link with CMA Institute, and this course is fully designed and managed by Global CMA team. In this course, we are going to use some financial informations and documents for explanation purpose, and all those documents are dummy with dummy figures which is prepared by us. In these documents or files, we have not used any real-time data from any organization. Our team is quite confident that you will add value in your professional life with this master course on cost auditing. So CMA students and qualified members, let's start our journey with this course and transform us from an ordinary person to extraordinary person in cost accounting and auditing matters. If you have any query or doubt, comment below in the comment box and join us on following social media channels for quick replies over your questions. So CMA students and members, that's it in this video. Thank you and have a nice day. We will see you in next video.